Your car is hiding things from you, and the most unbelievable part is that you've probably been staring right at them for years without knowing what they're actually for. Today, you will discover 10 hidden car features that can save you money, rescue you in a real emergency, and leave you asking, how on earth did I never notice this? Don't get too comfortable, though the secrets get crazier as we go. Secret number 3 is sitting right in front of your eyes every single time you drive. And secret number 1 is something you'll want to test out today. Hit that subscribe button right now because you're about to learn things most drivers go their entire lives without knowing. Let's dive in. Secret number 10, the arrow that was always there. Have you ever pulled into a gas station in a rental car, a borrowed vehicle, or just a car you don't drive every day, and had absolutely no idea which side the fuel door was on? You probably checked your side mirrors, tried to guess, and ended up pulling up to the pump on the completely wrong side. Well, your car was giving you the answer the entire time. Look at the fuel gauge on your dashboard. Right next to the little gas pump icon, there is a tiny arrow that almost nobody notices. If it points to the left, your gas cap is on the left side. If it points to the right, it's on the passenger side. It is such a simple detail that once you discover it, you wonder how you spent years missing it. That was the easiest secret on the list. The next one could pull you out of a serious jam when you least expect it. Secret number 9, the hidden key fob trick. Imagine leaving work, pressing the unlock button on your remote, and nothing happens, the battery is dead. Most people assume they're completely stranded, but almost every modern key fob hides a secret. Inside the plastic housing, there is a physical metal key that very few drivers know exists. All you have to do is press a tiny release button or slide a latch to pop it out. With that key, you can manually unlock the driver's door even if the fob battery is totally drained. It's one of those features you hope you never have to use. But the day you need it, you'll be thrilled you knew about it. And the next secret involves a button millions of drivers push every day without realizing they are using it completely wrong. Secret number 8, the button almost everyone uses wrong. There is a button on your climate control panel that most people press daily without understanding when to actually use it. The air recirculation button. Many drivers leave it turned on constantly, thinking it cools or heats the car better. Here is the big mistake. If your windows start fogging up, keeping recirculation on actually makes the problem much worse because moisture stays trapped inside the cabin. To defog your windshield fast, turn off recirculation and switch on the air conditioning. In just a few seconds, your glass will clear right up. It's a small change that dramatically improves visibility when you need it most. The next secret can save you from a panic attack and an unnecessary trip to the mechanic. Secret number 7, the warning light that doesn't mean a repair. Picture this. You're driving down the highway and suddenly the bright yellow check engine light pops up on your dash. Your mind immediately jumps to a $1,000 repair bill. Before you panic, check one ridiculously simple thing, your gas cap. If the gas cap is loose, cross-threaded, or damaged, it leaks evaporative pressure and triggers the check engine light in many vehicles. Just tighten it down until you hear it click several times. After driving for a bit, the vehicle's computer rechecks the evap system, and the light may turn off on its own. Of course, if the light stays on or the car runs rough, get it scanned immediately. But the next secret is hidden behind a door you probably open every week. Secret number 6. What your glove box is hiding. Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you replaced your car's cabin air filter? If your answer is never, you aren't alone. That little filter cleans all the air you breathe every time you turn on the fan or see. Over time, it gets choked with dust, pollen, leaves, and mold, cutting down airflow and causing foul odors. The most surprising part. In most modern cars, it's hidden right behind the glove box, and replacing it takes less than 5 minutes. It's one of the easiest maintenance items people overlook for years. Now, let's talk about a major mistake millions of drivers make every time they check their tire pressure. Secret number 5, never do this with your tires. When you go to air up your tires, you read the PSI number stamped onto the tire side wall, right? If you do, you've been looking at the wrong place for years. That sidewall number isn't the recommended driving pressure for your vehicle. It is the absolute maximum pressure the tire can physically handle before failing. The correct pressure is almost always printed on a white and yellow sticker located inside the driver's door jamb. Engineers calculated that specific PSI to give you the perfect balance of safety, ride comfort, and tread life. Underinflated tires burn extra fuel and wear out early, while overinflated tires destroy ride quality and handling. Next time you grab an air hose, check that door jamb sticker. Now for a secret most drivers only discover when it's already too late. Secret number 4. This could save you hours waiting on the side of the road. Imagine your car gets stuck in deep mud, snow, sand, or a ditch. What very few drivers know is that many cars hide a built-in heavy-duty towing point specifically engineered for these emergencies. Look for a small square or round plastic pop-out cover on your front or rear bumper. Behind that cover is a threaded socket. The matching steel tow eyelet is usually stored right next to your spare tire and jack. You screw the hook directly into the bumper frame for a safe, damage-free pull. It's a detail you might rarely use, but the day you get stuck, you'll be incredibly glad you knew it was there. And the next secret is sitting right beneath your feet, though almost nobody pays attention to it until disaster strikes. Secret number 3, the interior part that can cause you to lose control. Look down at the driver's floor mat. Do you see those tiny plastic hooks or twist locks holding it to the carpet? Most people think those are just cheap trim clips, but they serve a massive safety purpose. If a floor mat shifts forward, it can get jammed underneath the brake pedal or pin down the accelerator pedal, which has caused terrible high-speed accidents. Never stack a rubber floor mat on top of a carpeted mat, and never drive with loose mats. Always make sure those floor hooks are locked in place before driving away. It takes 2 seconds and prevents a terrifying situation. Now pay close attention, because secret number 2 could be the most important safety tip in this entire video, especially if you drive with kids. Secret number 2, the seatbelt feature that protects your kids. This is easily one of the most critical safety secrets on this list. If you have kids, grandkids, or nieces and nephews, listen closely. Your seatbelts have a hidden locking retractor function that most drivers never trigger. Try this. Pull the seatbelt slowly all the way out until it stops. Now let it retract back in a few inches. You'll hear a ratcheting click, and you won't be able to pull it out freely anymore. This system is built to lock child safety seats firmly against the vehicle seat without any sliding movement. It's been built into millions of cars for decades, yet tons of parents have no idea it exists. Secret number 1. When you see this, you'll understand why it's number 1. It sits right above the side windows. Most people call it the passenger grab handle, assuming it's just there to hold onto when the driver takes a corner too fast. While it acts as an entry handle for taller trucks and SUVs, almost nobody knows its second function. On one end of the handle, there is usually a tiny pop-out hook engineered specifically to hang a suit jacket, coat, or dry cleaning without wrinkling it during the drive. It's such a subtle feature that thousands of people trade in their cars without ever noticing what it was for, proving that your car is packed with clever little secrets hidden in plain sight. Drop a comment below and tell me, which of these 10 secrets surprised you the most? If you learned at least one thing you didn't know before, hit that like button and subscribe for more hidden car features and automotive secrets every week.